This is blue in color. Looks like it is USB 3.0, but we have to test the speed. Okay, we will be checking the speed in both laptop and the mobile. Okay, let us test it now. So first of all, let us try the Samsung micro SD card itself without using this adapter that we bought from Amazon, right? So let us plug in it, and it is in, you can see in the computer. So now let me open it in a new tab, and I have created this 000 folder inside this external SD card. Now let us drag and drop this file, which is more than 3 GB, into the SD card from the computer, and note down the speed. It is above 33 MB per second, right? So this is using the Samsung SD card adapter. And now after this, we are going to compare with the OTZ all-in-one adapter that we bought from Amazon. So it is about to complete. Now let us also try to copy it back into the computer. Inside this folder, we are going to copy from the SD card to the machine, and the speed was really great, was it? No, it wasn't. It didn't even show us the correct speed, but the speed would have been same like the right speed, around 33 MB per second. Now let us remove the SD card, eject it, and you can see that it is currently in use because this file is being copied into the machine. There might be some problem in copying back, and we are out. So let me try to take it out and insert into this OTG adapter. We have to use the other way, and it is in, right. The blue color means that it is 3.0, but it is fake. I have just tested it. Let me quickly plug it in here. This way I have to remove the charger. So you can see this is my 3.0 port. It is black in color, but it is 3.0. I have the specifications of my laptop from where I checked that this port is 3.0. So let us plug it in, and you see that the light is blinking, and in the laptop you can see that we have this folder. Now let me delete this from computer, and let us try to copy it back into machine from the SD card using the adapter, and you can see the speed. What the hell is this? 17 MB per second? That's half of what we got using the Samsung SD card adapter. So this speed comes when the type of port with the OTG adapter is 2.0. In 3.0 the speed must come above 40. So we can just cancel it because it is a fake USB OTG adapter. And even if you copy from the laptop to the SD card using the OTG adapter, you can see the speed. It is 16 MB per second, 17, very bad speed. Now we can confirm that the ports of the all-in-one OTG adapter bought from Amazon are 2.0. And on the Amazon page they say that it is 3.0, but it is not. They are just doing the fake advertisements and sucking the money of customers. So I want you to not buy this OTG adapter. This is fake. They are just taking your money. Close it. We don't need it anymore. And I am going to return this OTG adapter right now. Let us remove it safely, and take it out. Even if you use this Type-C port, the speed will be same. I have tested it. Let us take it out, and even if you try to take out this smaller TF card and insert it right here, the same speed will come, 15 or 17 MB per second. So these are fake ones. Don't buy these. Just a wastage of money. Very bad. So please subscribe to Boost Up Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.